For cold and cough. If you're feeling a sore throat, cough, or mild congestion, clove water can be a natural home remedy. Warm clove water helps soothe throat irritation, reduces inflammation, and loosens stubborn mucus, so you can breathe easier. For even better results, add a teaspoon of honey. It not only improves the taste but also gives extra soothing relief for your throat. Drinking this once or twice a day, especially in the evening, can make you feel more comfortable and speed up recovery naturally. For more health tips, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon.